Since I'm the old guy, let me take you back to the pre-1990s. All the distilleries were always trading whiskeys, because when you get into projections and you say, okay, we're selling 1 million cases, next year we're going to sell 1.5 million, 1.1 million the next year, and your projections are wrong. You either got too much whiskey or you don't have enough whiskey. And in the old days, the big guys traded back and forth. It was just a common thing, because you're dealing with projections are just projections, and they can be wildly wrong.
There's never been a correct projection.
There's never been so when people got into the business, the smart way to get into the business was to purchase aged whiskey from a source, so that you could make yours, and you had a cash flow selling that whiskey and developing a brand name as your whiskey is aging in the barrel. And MGP fit that need.
I've written an article for the Daily Beast, and the title of the article is, "Should a whiskey company do its own distilling?" Because for so long I was seeing these articles appearing in the media that said things like, your craft whiskey is made from a place in Indiana, or you're being fooled by these brands. What I thought was that the practice of creating this palette of flavors by buying casks from all over the world, or doing some really great stuff with it, as you had said, that's historically the way we did create spirits in this country. Really championing the blender behind the scenes as well. We lost our ability to see that as an art form.
We don't source, and kind of by choice, we had the opportunity, and my family has land. It's a very unique opportunity, especially out west. There's not a lot of people that can say they're a farm to bottle operation. And eventually that land will be part mine and my brother's. So we will hopefully continue on with that legacy, and hopefully, if all things go well, my 2 daughters, they may take over the business. It's a long-term play.
My initial dream was to build the distillery and learn how to make it and grow it and do it. And the realities of the industry, the time that it would take, and my impatience, perhaps, I wanted to create something that was beautiful, high quality, consistent, and always available at a price point that people can go in and feel good about making a drink with it or drinking it neat. And that would just not have been possible had there not been these high quality companies that would supply this source spirit. So yeah, it's everything for us.